Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you enjoy watching this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Okay, let's get into the video. Today I'll be showing you some items from eBay and the Goodwill. If you're interested in buying any of these items, you can send me a direct message on Instagram. So first we have a pendant and earring set with onyx and abalone inlay. Next we have another pendant and earring set with onyx. All these items are sterling silver, by the way, if you guys were wondering. And we have a flower brooch. This is really cute. Next we have a pendant. I really like this one. And this one's really interesting, a little cat reaching into a fishbowl. It's pretty cool. And we have a rose brooch. And we have another brooch with onyx. And another brooch with onyx again. These are really interesting. They have abalone inlay. Might be a little hard for you guys to see that. And we have a heart pendant here. And a pair of earrings. I think these have an Aztec calendar on them. I'm not sure, but that's what it kind of looks like to me. Next we have this onyx and marcasite brooch. This is kind of cool. I like this one. And another pair of earrings with onyx. So finally we have this unique pendant with onyx in it. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite item was from today's video. Okay everyone, see you soon!